नमस्कार. नवकोकण एज्युकेशन सोसायटीच्या डीजे कॉलेजतर्फे पुन्हा एकदा सगळ्यांचं स्वागत. मागच्या भागात आपण चेन रूल बघितला. आता चेन रूलची ऍप्लिकेशन्स बघूया. चेन रूल वापरून काही डेरिव्हेटिव्ह फाइंड आउट करूया. पहिला प्रॉब्लेम घेतो. फाइंड द डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ y इज इक्वल टू sin cube x. Now to find out derivative of sin cube x, we have to use the chain rule. Firstly, we must remember that sin cube x means sin x bracket cube. As here we can see there are two functions. One function is cube and other function is sin x. So here in this problem I am going to call u as sin x. And therefore y becomes u cube. Differentiating u with respect to x, we get du by dx is equal to derivative of sin x. It is equal to cos x. And y, differentiating y with respect to u, because y is function of u, we get dy by du is equal to d by du of u cube. Derivative of u cube using formula list is 3u square. But u is sin x, so this is 3 into sin x square, that is 3 sin square x. Now we are going to apply the chain rule. By chain rule, dy by dx is dy by du into du by dx. What is dy by du? 3 sin square x. 3 sin square x into du by dx. Du by dx is cos x. Cos x. And therefore derivative of sin cube x with respect to x is 3 sin square x into cos x. Is that clear to all of you? Let us take one more problem. Y is equal to tan x cube. Y is equal to tan x cube. In the previous problem we have taken sin cube x. Now here tan x cube. Remember that this is tan bracket x cube. So the inner function is x cube and outer function is tan. So here I am going to call u as x cube and y is tan u. And therefore we get, after differentiating u with respect to x, du by dx is 3x square, and differentiating y with respect to u, dy by du is equal to sec square u, that is sec square x cube, because u is equal to x cube. Now again dy by dx is dy by du into du by dx. Therefore dy by dx is equal to sec square x cube multiplied by 3x square, that is 3x square into sec square x cube. This is the derivative of tan x cube. So the second problem is also over. Let us take one more little bit complicated problem. Cos raised to 4 x raised to 5. Cos raised to 4 x raised to 5. This is cos of x raised to 5 bracket raised to 4. Now how many functions are involved over here? The first one is raised to 4, which is outermost. Inner to that is cos, and inner to that is x raised to 5. So three functions. So y is function of u is function of v, and v is function of x. So here I am going to call v as x raised to 5, u as cos v, and y as u raised to 4. Three functions. V is x raised to 5, u is cos v, and y is u raised to 4. Differentiating v with respect to x. dv by dx is 5x raised to 4. Differentiating u with respect to v. du by dv is equal to derivative of cos v with respect to v is minus sin v. But v is x raised to 5, so minus sin x raised to 5. Differentiating y with respect to u, because y is function of u. Differentiating y with respect to u, we get dy by du is equal to 4u cube. But what is u? U is cos v, so this is equal to 4 cos cube v. What is v? V is x raised to 5, so 4 cos cube x raised to 5. Now chain rule. dy by dx is dy by du into du by dv into dv by dx. Right here, dy by du 4 cos cube x raised to 5 du by dv. Minus sin x raised to 5, and dv by dx is 5x raised to 4. Let us combine and write it neatly. Minus 20 x raised to 4 sin x raised to 5 cos cube x raised to 5. One correction over here. Here du by dx is not du by dv, because we are differentiating u with respect to v. Thank you.